My name is Bart. Oh, were you expecting a different voice here? Were you expecting a different voice for Bart's show? Well, this is the new voice of Bart. The voice of Johnny Schmuckmilfer. Just like Blog with a Rio Frog. The voice of Bart has now changed too. And guess what you're not gonna see today? Guess what you're not gonna see on Randomness with Bart? You're not gonna see any arm flopping. The last thing you're gonna see on this show, my new show with a new voice, is flopping of arms. So, today, on Randomness with Bart, we're gonna talk about how much we hate puppets. That's right. We're gonna talk about how much we hate puppets, and how much we love the fact that Tricky Ricky 77 is gone forever. So on my new show, we're just gonna talk about stuff. You know, like the kind of stuff that you'd see on the show Stuff with Johnny. What? Wait. What's happening here? What's going on? Oh, God. Oh. Hello there. My name is Bart. And I'm back. Tricky Ricky has returned. Tricky Ricky is back. And so is my voice. And you're watching Randomness with Bart. So, Tricky Ricky has returned here. We're not sure for how long, but he's been overtaken by Johnny Schmuckmilfer, as you all know. He's been taken over, and that's why he's been kind of playing around with the voices there. You know, my voice and Kermit's voice. He's been using his voice because, he's been taking over Tricky Ricky. Well, Tricky Ricky's not going to go down easily. Tricky Ricky has come back. He's back. And that means that I am back. And my name is Bart. So, we're going to talk here for a little bit about what the hell is going on here. There's too much going on with the whole Johnny Schmuckmilfer taking over Tricky Ricky thing. I don't like it at all. So if Johnny thinks that, if he thinks that Tricky Ricky's just gonna go away quietly, and that he's just gonna be able to take over like that, well, he better think again. Because Tricky Ricky's stronger than that. Tricky Ricky is strong, and he is determined not to let Johnny Schmuckmilfer just take him over and control him. No, that's not gonna happen. So you know what? You know what I gotta do? You know what you gotta do, don't you? That's right. Flop your arms. Oh, yes. Flop your arms if you want Tricky Ricky 77 to stay. If you want Tricky Ricky to take over Johnny Schmuckmilfer and to stay and to kick Johnny Schmuckmilfer's ass. Oh, yes. Come on, flop your arms. Oh, that's right, you got flop there now, come on. Oh, yes. There you go, flop your arms. Like only Tricky Ricky 77 can. Oh, yes. Oh, there you go. Flop your arms if you think that Johnny Schmuckmilfer should just go and rot somewhere to die. That's right. Oh, yes. Flop your arms, come on. Come on, it's been a long time. Flop your arms if you think that Tricky Ricky 77 is the man and you think he's gonna take over Johnny Schmuckmilfer. Oh, yes. There you go. Yeah, it's a flopperama. Oh, yes. There you go. There's a flopping arms. Johnny Schmuckmilfer thought that Bart would never flop his arms again. Well, Johnny was mistaken. He was mistaken. Because Tricky Ricky's a fighter. And Tricky Ricky ain't gonna go down quietly. No, I don't think so. So, Johnny, Tricky Ricky 77's gonna fight. He's gonna fight you until the end. And this thing is far from over. My name is Bart. Goodbye.
His name is Tricky.
77.
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 His name is Tricky Ricky.
77.
His name is Tricky Ricky.
77.